Vivo may still be silent, but the leaks just keep getting more interesting. And now, for the first time, we're getting a close look at what could be the upcoming Vivo S2 for India. Fresh hands-on photos of the phone's dummy unit have surfaced online, giving us a pretty good idea of its design before the official launch. The leaked dummy unit shows the Vivo S2 in a sleek matte black finish, with a clean, minimalistic look. On the back, there's a vertically aligned camera module positioned in the top left corner. One of the leaked images even includes a sticker clearly mentioning the Vivo S2 branding, leaving little doubt about the device's identity. Another image places the black model next to a rose gold variant, suggesting Vivo could offer at least two color options at launch. But the design isn't the only exciting part. According to the latest leak, the Vivo S2 will reportedly be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7360 chipset, positioning it as a capable premium mid-range smartphone. It is also tipped to feature a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS for improved image stabilization, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, users can expect a sharp 1.5K AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, promising vibrant visuals and fluid scrolling. This isn't the first time the Vivo S2 has appeared online either. The smartphone was previously spotted in the IMEI database carrying the model number V2576, further confirming that the device is indeed in development. The S2 is especially significant because it marks the return of Vivo's S series to India after a long break. The first hints about this comeback surfaced back in May, when tipsters revealed that Vivo was preparing an all-new S2 lineup for India, although the specifications were still unknown at that stage. More recent reports suggest the Vivo S2 could officially launch in early August, with sales expected to begin around mid-August. It's reportedly aimed at the premium mid-range segment, where it could compete directly with devices like the Oppo Reno 16 Pro. So, are you excited to see Vivo bring the S series back to India? And do you think the Vivo S2 has what it takes to challenge rivals like the Oppo Reno 16 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for all the latest smartphone leaks and launches.